Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to our lessons. And this lesson we're going to show you how to create videos using your InShot app. So we just go straight to the InShot app and this will pop up. You will see photo collection video, so you choose video and then we create new video. So now you will see your gallery will pop up, your recent photos will pop up, and what you need to do right now is just select one picture, but we are not going to use this picture. We just want to get into our workspace and then the picture is here. So notice that you have a red plus button in the left bottom corner of your screen, so you're going to click that and you add a blank scene. So this image we're going to delete it because we don't want it there. So when we delete this, what we need to do now is to add our image manually, and we're going to go to sticker. This time you're going to find your images in sticker. Your image is going to come as a sticker. So you will see your gallery sign and you will see GIF sign, and these are stickers. But now we're going to click our gallery sign, and you can see that, you can notice that I have images here already because I have worked with these images. I uploaded them before. So if you have not uploaded any image, you're not going to see this. So now you just click the plus button and I'm going to go to adverts, and these are the images that I have for this project. So I'm going to just enter one of them. But before we do this, before we add our image, we need to change the background color. So we already have our image. Now we go to background, just click this and we just go to background, and then you see different options. You can use color and you can use gradient colors, and these are gradient colors, and you can use pattern also. These are patterns. But right now we need to choose white for our background. That is what I decided, and I'm going to use that. So now we have our image here, and you just go to sticker and you add your image. We're going to expand it a little. Now our image is done. We can add our text. So we're just going to say laptops, and we can expand that. So notice that we can add effects for these items that we added. So we have our text here and it is in the same level with the image. So we're going to bring the text in front so that the image can pop up before the laptop can the image can come before the text. So now we have our text. We're going to go to edit, and notice that you can change the color of your text here. You can manipulate your text anyhow. You can add shadows to it, you can add border to it, you can add labels to it, but we're not going to do that. So you can also change fonts here. You have different fonts, and you can change alignment of your text as well. But now you need effects, and you can use these effects. There are different kinds of effects that you can use for your video. So now we're going to use this one here. So that is done. And our image also, we're going to do the same thing for our image. We're going to add an effect to our image. So done. So we have our image and we have our picture, our text. So you can notice something, that our text goes under our image. So we're just going to reduce the size of our image. So we have our text, we have our image. So what we're going to do now is going to add another scene, and that is going to be blank scene. Notice that it took everything from the first scene, the background color and everything, even the effects, it will take the same thing. So now what we are going to do is we're going to add another sticker, and that is our image. So notice that I already have my images here, so I don't need to go to gallery. I'm just going to choose one of these images, and I will add that, and I'll just bring it in the middle, and I will add a text to it. Be careful of this line though. This is where it is determined where your item is going to locate. Whatever item you add is going to locate where this line is. So if you want to bring an item to any location, you can just manipulate this line and it will bring it there. So now we're going to add our text here, and you're going to say mobile phones. So now notice we have our text here. We're going to expand that. So just bring it to clip N, and bring this one also to clip N, so that you can have it the same where the scene ends, your image also will end there. And notice that it already have effects. You see, it already have the same effects as this one. So we're going to bring the mobile phones down a little. So we add another. So whenever you are done, this is what you will click. This correct mark button here is what you will click, and you are done. So you can come and add another you can add another blank scene, and we're going to add our image again, and this time we're going to add this image. So you just click down, you can expand that. So now I'm going to show you how to add an effect. Now you know we already have our effect, our sticker button here. So you go to, this is GIF, so you can go to sticker and use search, but you need your connection to be on to do this, to be able to do this. So now the moment you have your connections on, you will see some effects that will pop up. So you can just search for effect. Notice that you have a lot of stickers you can use, but this is specifically effects, and I'm going to choose this effect and this one. So I already have my effect. Now I will go back. Now I will switch off my connection so that it doesn't waste my connection. Now I already have, sorry, we should add something to hide the cutting edge of this image. That is what I wanted to do, but I forgot and add this. So I'm going to bring this in front here. It's not working. Sorry, this is wasting my time. Oh. Okay, just leave it there. So we can just go to sticker and we try to add a line. We need our connection to be on to do that. So we just go to GIF and then we just go to line. So we just add this line and then we go back. So we will just switch off our connection, and then notice that this line is in front here, because that is where our okay. So just bring it to clip beginning, and then just bring it to clip ending. This one also clip ending, this one also clip ending. So now I'm just going to this image should be in the clip beginning. Now I'm going to expand this so that it hides this place where the image ends, right? So now we have our effect there. You can see that we have effects, but it's not in all of the scenes. So we're going to add text to this scene here, and the text will come after the effect, after the image. So now the text, we're going to put rush now, and that's this. And you can manipulate your images the way you want and your text the way you want. So you see these two arrows that is pointing here. It is to expand the timing of the text or to reduce it. So we're going to reduce the timing of this text to come just like that and leave, and another text will follow. So we just ask now to shop with us. So now we have that. And we're going to bring that to clip beginning. So now we have our text. Notice that we have our effects here. So we're going to expand this effect so that it will cover the effect, a large area. So when we have another effect, so we're going to duplicate this effect so that it goes directly to another scene, and we're going to duplicate it again so that it goes to these other scenes. So this other effect here, this is another effect here. We're going to bring that here. We want that effect to be here, and I want it to be between the laptops here, and I'm going to duplicate it here also. So the next scene is going to be here, and that's that. So now we have our video, our very short video. You can notice that this video doesn't have any sound. It is muted. So in our next lesson, we're going to show you how to add sounds to the video